Welcome to virtual office training. Today I am going to teach you how formula auditing work in Excel 2010. Just open Excel worksheet. Now you can see here total quantity of stationery, total quantity of glassware and total quantity of instrument. I want to trace this cell. Uh, which cells are included in this formula? Just select the formula cell and click trace precedence. It will tell it will display the information of all the cells which are included in this formula. And if I select this cell and trace precedence, it will display all the it will tell you these cells are included in this formula. If you remove arrow, it will remove. And if I want to display the information, this formula contains the value of this cell and this formula also contains the value of this cell. If I display which formula are included in this cell, just click trace dependence. It will show you all the information. This formula contains the value of these, and this formula also contains the value of these. If you remove the arrow, it will remove. If you want to display the information where the cells are, just click trace precedence. It will tell you these sums include this value, this value, this value. If you click remove arrow, it will remove. Now the fourth option is show formula. Show formula display the formula in each cell instead of resulting value. It will not display the result, it will display the formula. If I click here, it will display the formula, not result. You can see here. If you click again, it will display the result. Hope these tips are very useful for you. Thanks for watching.